Only a few months remain before the release of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, and naturally, many are already wondering, what's new this time? Is it going to be a big enough improvement over the 16 Pro series? Or is it just the same thing under a different moniker? Let's examine what to anticipate and if it makes sense to wait a little while longer before upgrading. Let's start with a brand new design. The rear camera arrangement is shifting. Everything is being moved into a sleek horizontal bar in place of the existing triangular arrangement. At a glance, it helps the phone stand out from the 15 and 16 series and gives it a more contemporary, cohesive appearance. This year, Apple is likewise varying the materials. It seems that the frame will be a titanium and aluminum combination rather than all titanium, as we saw last time. The phone has a two-tone feeling that could make it seem lighter without sacrificing its high-end, robust feel. There is a big one when we speak about camera improvements. From 12 megapixels to 48 megapixels, the telephoto lens jumps around. Particularly for zoom pictures, it is a huge jump. The sharpness should be significantly different whether you're photographing distant nature or close-ups of concert stages. Additionally, 8K video will be available on the iPhone for the first time. After much waiting, it's finally occurring this year. Even if frame rates haven't been guaranteed yet, the choice is a big victory for content makers. This time, they are also reducing the size of the dynamic island. Though it's being reduced, it won't disappear, giving the top edge more screen real estate and a little cleaner appearance. Although it's a little adjustment, it makes a big difference. The new A19 Pro processor, which is built on TSMC's next-gen 3nm technology, will power the 17 Pro versions. Anticipate increased thermal efficiency, performance, and battery life. Apple is beginning to produce more of those wireless chips in-house. They are now creating their own Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G components, just as they did with the C1 chip on the 16th. That ought to increase power efficiency, speed, and dependability. Finally, after years of waiting, Apple is now increasing the RAM on the Pro versions to 12 gigabytes. This is a subtle but significant improvement, particularly for multitasking and powering future Apple Intelligence capabilities. This puts it on par with the best Android flagships. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.